Leaf. Leaf is the most important part of a shoot. Observe leaf closely. The broad and flat surface of a leaf is called the leaf blade or lamina. Each leaf has a tube in the middle. This is called main vein. Many side tubes arise from the main vein called side veins. These veins carry water to all the parts of the leaf. The lower side of a leaf has many tiny holes. These are called stomata. Plants breathe through stomata. Leaves are green because they contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps the plant absorb sunlight. Dear students, in the first picture you can observe leaf blade, and also you can observe the main vein as well as the side vein. If you will observe the leaf closely, you will see or observe the tiny holes. These are known stomata. Okay. Green leaves make food for the plant with the help of the carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. This process is called photosynthesis. What is the work of leaves? Leaves are the food factories of the plant as they prepare food for the plant. Leaves help the plant breathe through stomata. Leaves gives out extra water from the plant through stomata. Dear students, you can see the first picture. Leaves of some plants store food like spinach, cabbage, mint. Okay, so plants like spinach, coriander, cabbage and mint store food in their leaves. These leaves are eaten as food. Okay, so these leaves of the plants you can use it as a eating things. Now flowers. Most plants bear flowers. Flowers are of different shapes, sizes and colors. Most flowers have a sweet fragrance. They attract butterflies and often insects. Dear students, in the second picture you can observe most plants bear beautiful flowers. The first picture is China rose and second picture is lotus. Flowers help in the reproduction because they produce fruits and seeds. Dear students, you can see and you can observe a flower grow into a fruits. First of all, we can observe bud. After that it will turn into flower, and after that it will turn into fruit. Flowers of cauliflower and broccoli are eaten as food. In this picture you can observe flowers eaten as food. Cauliflower and broccoli we can eat, okay, as a food. MCQs. First, a tiny pores in the leaves are called, answer is C, stomata. Second number, spinach stores food in, answer is B, leaves. Third number, prepare food for the plants, answer is B, leaves. Now fruits and seeds. We eat fruits of many plants. Fruits are formed from flowers. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds are protected inside the fruits. Mango, cherry and peach have only one seed. Apple, orange and papaya have many seeds. Pineapple has no seeds. In the first picture you can see fruit with one seed, and that is mango. And in the second picture you can see fruits with many seeds like papaya and apples. Seeds are of different shapes, sizes and colors. We eat some seeds like wheat, rice, gram and corn. These seeds are called edible seeds. New plants grow mostly from seeds. Every seed has a baby plant inside it. Seeds store food for the baby plant. When the seeds get enough water, air and sunlight, the baby plant starts growing. This process of growing of a new plant from a seed is called germination. Dear students, in this picture you can see and observe the germination of a seed. First of all, there is a seed, and as soon as it get water, enough sunlight and enough environment, then it will turn into beautiful plant. Okay, so here we have completed the whole chapter. Now in the next video you are going to see or observe the exercise of this chapter. Thank you.